Hi ma'am, good morning. My name is Roland Oshido Tarot. So this is the date. Hi ma'am, my name is Roland Oshido Tarot. So this is the data we granted, and we are going to do is a grading of percentile. First we go to the analyze, then data statistic, differencing quick, then press statistic, then find percentile, then put her 30. Then add 70 and press continue. Then okay, then you see well the result.